All right, cool. We are live. All right, guys. Monday. Let's see what we got for Monday. What I don't like about these Mondays after a damn, what's it called? Bank holiday, you never get a Friday candle. What's up, Jacob? How are we today? I'll wait for a few more people to get into the stream to explain how the giveaway will be done today. So we're pretty much preventing giveaway hunters and just awarding people who are a part of FPF club, meaning they have purchased an account before with FPF and they've showed their support, rather than just awarding it to people who just join the stream. I'll repeat that again after anyway. Morning, Smith operator. Yeah, so I'll explain how, unless I'm pretty sure FPF also will put a message out, or he has. But basically, all giveaways now on YouTube are going to be to the FPF club members. So no more bots winning giveaways now. It's just going to go to the people who have been supporting FPF. Code. What's up, Elsie? Morning. Also, we're going to have like a thing where you have 90 seconds to actually respond in the chat. So it also prevents people who just, sort of just drop like their giveaway entry and then just leave. Any trades today, guys? All right. Cool. So today again, at least 20 likes as people join on. We should be able to get it. And of course, don't forget Apex do have a 90% off still. And Lucid 50%. Oh yeah, I've seen that long. It's a really good one. Quite a lot of the move. So FPF just put a YouTube giveaway. I was going to put a YouTube giveaway link in the Discord later on, and you're going to be able to hit that button for entering the giveaway. So FPF Club will benefit now. You won't have any random people with alt accounts entering 10 to freaking 20 times. So none of that crap anymore. Yes, hit the like button. The more likes and the more exposure to FPF, the more giveaways. The more support, the more giveaways. So the more giving back, the more support. Okay, cool. All right, let's see what we get this morning. I'm still liking higher prices. Since basically the whole day is just sort of going up in price from open. So that was my target at the start of the day when I sort of drew this all up during Asia. Hey Miles, how are you? It's good. Mostly everyone here, I think, is part of the FPF club anyhow, so. All right, cool. If you go onto the Discord right now, you will see a YouTube giveaway channel at the top. Click on that and you can react. So it is live to start entering the giveaway. Real cool. No more bots, no more alt accounts, and no more giveaway hunters. Because I noticed basically no one who was loyal to the streams or loyal to supporting FPF actually won the giveaway. Now that I think about it. We had like what? 40 entries and 13 views. Insane. Yeah, Abu, I'm good. Remember to enter the giveaway today, Abu. You had to go to the Discord of FPF and there's a giveaway channel there. You can react, but you have to be a part of the FPF club. So if you have bought from FPF before, just show a receipt. Same with you, Miles. I know you bought the other day, so. Okay, cool. Well, if you have the FPF sort of code receipt, just send it to Funded Program Finders Discord, and he will put you into the FPF club, and then you can enter. Also, if we only get 4 likes, please like and subscribe. Yeah, videos, premium swing. That's really cool. It's about time they got into trader bait. It should definitely make that platform a lot more popular. Good morning. Yeah, that's really good. I was totally sick of getting their accounts and trading on. They got Algorithmic, Quant Tower, trying to connect to my Ninja Trader. It can sometimes be a headache for me. No more. I remember the rhythmic issue they had where I made bank. What's good for a break? Hope you're having a good morning. $9.30, I think, would give us a bit of a retracement. And they give out, yeah, only FPF club members can participate. It's in the Discord right now. We made a channel. Well, give everybody until at least 9:55 to enter the giveaway. So as many people can get the chance to enter. Hey, that the new my funded futures builder plan looks pretty cool. Has anyone actually got one? I'm actually going to be thinking about getting one.
Did I hear something about my funded futures, bro?
Bro, they got a builder plan now.
Bro, I've
didn't
been
know.
I've been milking their
Come out
builder
with that,
plan,
so
bro. I've been with them for a few months now. It's the best plan out.
So wait, you're with that plan already?
Yeah, bro. I've been getting payouts off of that one. That's my main account right now.
Basically, just build it yourself, right? So you can choose your drawdown, your profit target, basically everything.
The coolest thing for me on that one is you can pass the eval whenever, I think it's 1 day pass. But on funded, all you need is your buffer and 50% consistency on your funded. So the consistency is basically 2 winning days essentially for every payout, right? So you don't have to, me, I don't like those 5-day requirements for my own money.
Anything over 5 or
Yeah,
anything
it's
over
like,
3
bro,
for you is no good. Yeah.
Yeah, it's a headache.
Well,
So
3 is your minimum, right?
yeah, I was gonna say, yeah, 50% or 40% or more. unfunded. So 40%, 60%, 0%, it's fine. But I just hate having to trade a ton of days before being able to
I
withdraw.
know what
So,
you mean. I know what you mean. Sometimes you can get to that. Well,
but
it doesn't
yeah,
happen as often now.
definitely
But
if you guys like, the like simple prop firms where you can get legit payout, bro. I was getting payouts like twice a week, 3 times a week, depending on how the week goes. But you can
we got
get
your
2
Lucid
payouts a
Pros.
week on the
Your Lucid Pros are great. You can definitely get your
oh,
payout.
yep. Lucid
Yeah.
Pro is another good one. Just use code FPF, right? And then that'll unlock whatever discount is available. And you get to enter in these giveaways, bro. So it's a win-win situation. You're getting the best discount.
Bro, you're looking at
Legit prop
RTY
firms.
and YM today. I see.
Oh no, I'm
Hey.
just I have that on the back burner.
Okay.
The only way I like to include YM, bro, is if YM is actually a part of the consensus. Like everything's been bullish and then YM finally started to go bullish.
Yeah.
So once YM started making all-time highs, I'll add it back into the mix. Like, okay, now you're part of the family again. you know,
Yeah, it's no longer the black sheep, right?
right.
Always running
It's
away and doing its own thing.
exactly. Bro, it's so strange. YM will literally
It's been a
diverge
very
for
strange
weeks.
let for sure. It sort of just runs off on its own and decides
Yeah,
to
bro.
be on its own
Strange.
free will, right? Even last week, how it went and took the all-time highs and decided, okay, it's time to go down now, and then NQ switched up with it. Crazy.
But make sure everyone goes and joins the FPF Discord. It's in the description of this video.
Trades Jacob, good to see you. And Abu, I was just thinking for the time that I'm on, I'm still looking at them higher prices. Basically, that Tuesday high was where I was aiming for NQ. And we're almost there already. So,
Bro, I think all-time highs are the real target.
yeah.
It's literally, it's almost
I
there.
mean,
ES
how
is so far
far are we
behind,
really
though.
from it, bro? We're not too far, are we? We're, yeah, 30 June. So, 30, yeah, 400 points. Not too much. 400 points, and yeah, you pretty much called that out last week, but I guess it just lagged. And
Oh
now,
yeah, I mean last week
the
was FOMC and we had a
yeah,
bank
it's
holiday,
sort
so it
of
was a short week.
it was a very short week. I mean, we don't even have a Friday daily candle, so it always makes that a bit hard, not having that candle printed on our
Yeah,
screen. What's a bit annoying. Mostly like weeks that never printed the Friday candle, I always tend to wait for the Monday to play out.
right.
Just to get that information, right?
Exactly. Yeah.
I just kind of want to
exactly.
know what's really going on. How was your weekend anyway, man? You had a good Father's Day.
yeah, bro. It was
Yeah,
very solid, bro.
Father's Day in America. So happy Father's Day to everyone out there who is a father.
For sure, yeah, bro. It's a big deal, you know. Being a dad is probably one of the most demanding roles in the world if if you live up to it.
100% it would be. It would be. What did you said
No little
for?
Zillas running around here yet though, so you're good, bro.
No, yeah, I'm chilling, man. I'm chilling on this side. Yeah, none of that. Yeah,
no baby Zillas.
I'm chilling. Yeah, for now anyway. It's all good. What do you guys look at today? I just joined that 4HRB looking nice with SMT. 4 hour rejection block.
Mm-hmm.
You want to find that on your screen? Oh, okay. I know what you're talking
Boom,
about.
boom, 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 boom.
What do we got over there? Alpha Futures new sale, 40% off, everybody. Code FPF, get onto it. Show your support so obviously we can do more giveaways. Without your support, there wouldn't be any. So keep supporting.
Boom, 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 boom.
Okay, cool. We got yeah, bro. That's a pretty big sale for Alpha Futures. I've actually, I don't recall the last time they ever had a 40% off deal.
Bro, I don't think I've ever even tried alpha futures. I've always been like a my funded futures or trade day or top step or lucid. But I'm hearing good things about alpha, man. Maybe
Well,
I'm missing out.
I've used them before. They're good. There's nothing you can fault, right? But I know they bought out the plan called Zero, where there's no activation fee. Before that, they did have pretty hefty activation fees. What
Right.
sort of, puts kind of turns people off, you know what I mean? People prefer just to have a one-time payment.
Yep.
And that's why Apex joined, right?
Yep.
That's why they joined
Apex,
in
yeah.
by saying, okay, you know what? We'll do a full one-time payment sort of plan where there's no activation because they were probably one of the. I mean, they are the OGs really nowadays. You think
For
about it
sure.
with Top Step.
Yep.
But since them days, there are so many good firms that are out.
I just noticed my screen is up on the YouTube. I'm just highlighting
Yeah, your
these
screen's
higher
been
time
up the
frame.
whole time, bro. We've been
Uh,
watching you.
going through my notes, bro. As you can see, if I pull up my notes, bro, I have a
Yeah, you got
bunch
all
of
different sort of notes.
so like some of this stuff is old, but most of this, like anything with the 30-minute, that's my bread and butter, bro. You got the 30-minute levels, you got the 30-minute SMT closes, you got the 30-minute
Yep.
plus the 15-minute. So these are pretty much my protocols. I'll go through in the mornings, just refresh my mind and my notes so that I'm ready to go. And then here all I'm doing now is highlighting these higher time frame order blocks where price offered an attempt to go one way and then fails miserably. That's my bread and butter. You see price tapping into a place where price already failed. Your chances of failing again are pretty high. All right. So I'm looking at this Tuesday high here, which is all-time high. That swing
Yep.
point there. You got that hourly candle, which failed, slams lower. We're pushing back up into here. So price could sweep these levels here and still be bearish. Especially with this massive SMT compared to how far ES has been able to push.
Mhm.
So now
Yep.
I'm looking to my left and I'm like, all right, there's an order block sitting here where price failed. So you never know if it's gonna hold or not, but that's what we show up for, right? See how price responds when it taps into it. And we will get to explore some options here shortly. I don't think I don't know if I'll be buying this though, bro. I feel like the buys are already happening, right? We're already
It's
seeing
happening
that
right now,
expansion. Yeah.
right as we speak, right?
Yeah, bro. So
If honestly, if, I get no chances to get into a buy, I'm not gonna be sitting here trying to sell
yeah, exactly. It just depends on how
until it
this
actually shows structure back to the downside.
exactly, yeah. If 10 a.m.
If
can
tomorrow
open up,
opens with a
power
daily
three.
candle, what's closed down, I'll be happy to then start my bearish outlook. But as long as it's expanding now, I'll
Yeah,
keep
I
my
think
eyes
it looks
watched.
like it's almost overextending, bro. Like for example,
Basically, yes.
if you look at this, right? This is my strategy in a nutshell, right? You see here where let's say Tuesday you get this massive sell-off. Price tries to go higher, fails miserably, right? What happens on Wednesday? Price pushes right back into the same attempt to go higher and does what? Fail again. This is my
Fails with
money.
a
Yeah, that's the money maker for me, bro. And then now you see the same thing here. What happens? We push into this
midweek
area.
always.
We've been respecting this order block once, twice, three times, four times. We just officially broke it. So now when you see price gap through this level, I'm watching very closely to how price responds on the potential pullback into here. You have the weekly open sitting right here. You have a previous daily high sitting in here. Price could easily pull back into here and continue up into this next level where you have these highs and these order block highs sitting in here. Price could want to just make a new all-time high, especially when you see how price was able to absorb this short right here beautifully. Price could have pulled back into one of these gaps or something and continued, but instead, what do you notice? Price was able to push into this area, sell off, but then absorb the sellers and continue going higher. And then you get another attempt to go lower, and we absorb those sellers as well. And now look at where we are. We're above this high. That's a good sign that price may want to just continue to this all-time high.
Yeah, for real. I just look at the comments. The 2.6K comment got me, man. I haven't got one of them emails for a while. I never
2.6K.
received my 2.6K. Everyone got them emails, man. I thought I was the only one.
From which firm?
Tradeify. It was a scam
Oh,
email.
Tradeify.
2.6K. Yeah.
Oh no. How did they resolve that? Did they give the victims any free accounts or
Well,
something?
you'd have to be. I don't really want to say it, but you're gonna be stupid if you think they're just gonna pay you.
Oh yeah.
I mean, it's kind of on you. You know what I mean?
That's
They think
hilarious.
they'd be responsible for it, but I mean, yeah, I guess emails were leaked, but something you can't stop sometimes, right?
Yeah, bro.
It,
Definitely.
it
And
happens, right? A
yeah.
breach of privacy, a breach of emails. It's always going to happen. There's no way you can stop it.
Bro, I'm loving actually, bro. Yeah, I'm loving this here, bro. Nasdaq and RTY are in agreement. We just gapped through this previous daily high
That's
on
what
the
I mean,
30
bro.
minute.
That's why I'm still looking at that. I mean, it's not too far away in the Tuesday high at 30,980. Another 130 points,
Yeah, I
120
like
points.
this. It just depends on where price opens at 10 for me. But if we
Yeah,
can open up and revisit this 30-minute imbalance, retest this previous daily high, which I think we will with 930. I think if 930 can
930 should
dip and
basically,
rip,
because we just
yeah,
had
that'll be
expansion,
fire.
expansion, expansion. I usually expect 930 to do a retracement
Fabulous. Yep, that would
and
be so
your
good.
10 o'clock candle to open up and push the high.
Yep.
That's
Yep.
normally what I expect as a basically a daily profile, like a daily profile of the sessions.
That would be so clutch. A
So
clean Judas lower SMT if you may, and then change character, quick
yep,
quick flip higher, continue this momentum. I would hate to see Monday start chopping.
Well,
I think we
yeah.
had news,
Only
right?
when
Do we have
Mondays
news today?
do sort of just, right from Asia, sort of push down, then just expand up. I've noticed just keep expanding up.
We don't have any major news today, so we got to be
No, I
careful,
think it
bro.
starts on Wednesday.
Tomorrow we got some
Tomorrow.
manufacturing red folder,
Let's have a look.
PMI.
Okay, yeah, Canada's news, Canada. But the first red folder does start at PCE at 10. 1 second. Why has my time zone gone back to Australia? Let's put it back to New York.
Yeah, guys. So that's gonna be my game plan, man. I'm gonna get ready to jump on my stream here, but hopefully it's a clean session, right? If we can get a clean, you can see how price is
Might be able
slowly
to.
starting to break higher, right? Slowly
Might be able
breaking higher. You want to see price maintain this upper half here. I mean, price technically could dip still all the way back down to this midnight price and still be bullish because this is that most recent higher low. But you want to see price ideally maintain this upper half here and just continue with a speedy delivery. Ideally, but we can't be choosers. We just take what the market gives us. So this is what I'm expecting. I wouldn't be too far against something like this dipping down until maybe sweeping that London low or retesting that midnight price or something with the SMT or a continuation. But I think the draw is the all-time high. So I'm going to be looking for discounted buys and hopefully that plays out.
Yeah, bro, for sure. All right, 1 minute, 9:30. Would like to see a
9:30.
retracement down, especially since we're way above all the sort of opens, like the true day, the 7:30. And then, yeah, getting closer to 9:55, where we'll do the draw. All right, 9:30 open. All right, we'll see what it does. And in the meantime, I'm going to check how many likes we have in this video. 7 likes. Come on, guys. 8 of us watching, at least give us an 8th. Yeah, there we go. Oh, wow. Okay, there you go. 9:30 is expanded up after still retracement at 9:25, creating a 90-minute cycle, Q1 to Q2. The only thing I'm not liking is, what is it? It done it way above the true New York Open. But definitely looks like we're just going to expand up and take them highs. Yeah, that's right. Smash the like and support the stream.
Yes,
And make sure
sir. All
you
right,
use
Zilla.
the code FPF. Apex 90% off, Lucid 50% off, and we also got Alpha Futures at the moment. What was just sort of released then, 40% off. So go crazy. Support FPF and more giveaways.
Yes, sir. Definitely get that builder account, FPF, My Funded Futures, code FPF. I think that's by far the best account. If you want fast payouts, my personal opinion, you'll be able to get a payout quicker depending on how you trade, but I like that account the most right now.
Yep, for real. Definitely, bro.
But I'll catch you guys, man. I'm gonna go jump on my stream. God bless everyone. Have a good week, man.
You too, man. See you on Thursday.
All right. Peace.
Peace, bro. All right. Back to my screen we go. Yeah, I'm kind of just chilling on the 5-minute now. You were going for those shorts, Jacob, on NQ off the 4-hour rejection block. That's what you said. Don't chase it, bro. If you didn't get filled, I guess you just missed your short. But hey, it's Monday. It's all good, bro. It's all good. Oh, damn. Just about missed it, huh? You're probably going for like the CE off the rejection block, yeah? Yeah. Damn. Sometimes, like, when I don't do rejection blocks, but say like fair value gap trade with a big expansion one, I'll sometimes just do like the 25% just to get in. I know it sort of doesn't give you the best risk reward, but at least you get in. $25% is good, yeah. Just to get in. So I don't go trying to chase the trade when it just runs off without me. But there we are. 10 likes. I guess this stream actually has all the FPF club people in it. We no longer have bots. You got a 9:45 mark on your chart? What do you mean? Damn, bro. I wanted to see NQ at least take these Q2 lows, 7.45. Below the true New York Open. Yeah, 9:45 macro. You do have a little micro. Q1 to Q2. Below the true micro session. Well, we've already sort of got a Q1, Q2 crack here, Eli. That's happened below the true open for the micro sessions. So that is validated already. But also had a swing point over here at 934, creating a 1 minute TPD. Yeah. That was my target. Basically goes towards my target. He probably won't be in for the day. There's a 920. Our friend trades Jacob one. Did you keep a limit there? Cool, bro. Best of luck. I'm gonna see how many entries we got. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All right, cool. 8 entries so far. So if you haven't entered, please go onto the Discord and enter. It's all free and it's all for the FPF Club members. So there you go. Pushing down. Just a 15 minutes. 9:15. That's what you want to see for trades Jacob. Hey man, get confident, go for it. Hold it. Yeah, please wait for the midnight price. All right, time to see what the micro Q3 does with the price. I would still love to see it take this low. Yeah, and he waited patiently. Well, he was super patient for your trade there. Oh, man. All right, guys, 10 more minutes for your giveaway entries. There's still only 9 people who have entered, so get into it if you haven't. So what's happening on the 1 minute? What even is YM anymore? Yeah, no idea, bro. YMs. I don't know. It's like a waste of space. A waste of space on my charts. That's all YMs become. And 48. Still expecting at least this high to be taken. Well, I want to see it still get taken. Just as I thought. I would have loved to see it take that low and then make its way up, but not everything's going to go your way in trading. There it goes. We got 974. There we guys. Not long till. Alright, 5 more minutes until the giveaway entries shall close, and we'll pull it out at 10. Make sure you have entered Money Miles. I know you bought a eval last week using FPF's code, so make sure you get involved. Yeah, no problem, Miles. All the best with the giveaways. To all the loyal members, no bullshit members anymore, no giveaway hunters, as we call them. No more giveaway hunters. Just awarding the people who come here, support us, use the code FPF. That's what it's about. Nah, I got live accounts, bro. I'm not taking this on futures. All right, 3 minutes, 2 minutes. Yeah, 100% we do. You need like something different than the jazz. Okay, it's 1 minute. Sorry, 5 minutes. 5 minutes till the giveaway. $10 open. Wonder how the hourly candle. Yeah, not bad. All right, let's see how many entries we have. Entries. YouTube giveaways. No one else has entered. So, same amount of entries. More chances for whoever's entered to win. Okay. Lucky for you guys. FPF, we need a new branch of songs. this is the main one, but I think we need a little playlist. Hey, I know, I like it. I like it. It's just we need a few more tunes, I think. All right, guys, 3 minutes till the giveaway. The legit giveaway, because this is the first one without bots. Still want this guy at 975. Just looking at the hourly, see how it sort of closes. Wanting to see it close outside of this mix high. I think we should definitely get that. All right, guys, 2 minutes. I'll check the 1 minute. Oh, this seems to be coming out. Oh yeah, don't worry. I know. Just over there. Yeah. I mean, Eli had been basically tape reading the whole thing. Like I said, 975. That's the timing. I know. At the same time, like I don't want to really make this too much of a signal, but sort of stream like live trading and tape reading. Sometimes putting the trades out there, yes, but I don't want to kill someone else's bias who's also in the stream, because I know how that feels. So what I just do is like sort of give my bias and where I think price is heading to. All right, guys, 10 o'clock. We'll wait for my tape read of the tide to be taken. Hopefully soon. We're getting your bias killed, and you were right all along. What do you mean? All right, FPF. If you like, anytime soon, in the next few minutes, you can sort of call out the giveaway. Oh, yes, yeah, correct. That's right. That's why I don't want to kill someone's bias and give someone, make them lose their confidence in what they're looking at. That's why it's like, do what you want to do. Do what you feel. Do what fits your model. Do what fits your system. My system says up. All right, let's see how many entries we got. It's about to get real. First real FPF giveaway member. Yes, let's get it done. Let's do it. All right, guys, we are ready for that giveaway. We may as well run that race, turn that music down, and we'll see who wins. Alrighty. Do candles? Is that? All right, guys, market open. Let's go. All right. Yeah, it looks a bit laggy for me, but I think we got Jacob in the lead. Abu. Yep. All right, let's go. The purple. Oh, looks like we got Crystal. No, Abu, Jacob. Come on, man. 22 seconds left. $15. Which egg is going to take the win? It's a close one. It's a real close one. 4 seconds on the clock. Who we got? Crystal. Crystal Lake, congratulations. 25K flex. All right, 90 seconds starting now. Oh, well, 1 minute. Respond in the chat, Crystal Lake. Uh-oh. Oh, wait. Jacob? What? Trades Jacob? What? What's going on here? Trades Jacob? What have you been? What? What's going on here right now? Is it Jacob or Crystal? No way. Okay, it's you. Well, congratulations. Your name's just tripping me out a bit there. A man of many names, yeah, basically. Could be oh well, that's him. That's him or her. I'm not sure what to say at this point. He's lied all along to Jacob NQ3, so there is only one Jacob. The fake Jacob has been exposed. I'm actually gonna try tag him. No way. Dude, it's Crystal Lake. TT Jacob trades. No, it's actually him. Yeah, as I was saying, because there's like I already understand trades Jacob LC. Basically, everyone here understands what they're doing with trading, so I don't really feel the need to be like enter. So I know you're not signal bots. Oh, that makes sense. Crystalek. Crystalek. Dogs. Yeah, basically all the good traders I know are called Jacob. That's crazy. Must be a thing. If your name's Jacob, you're automatically a good trader. I might need to change my name to Jacob too. I'll become the third Jacob. Or the fourth. And this squeaky chair needs some WD-40 on this. Come on, NQ, just take the high at 974 and stop messing around. And we can all just go to sleep. Start of the market Q4 has started. All right, I'm gonna see if what we have on for tomorrow. FPF, when's the next giveaways coming up? Just to let everyone know before I get off. Okay. Okay. Tomorrow we do a website giveaway. Free. Yep. What else? On Wednesday we do a X giveaway. Awesome, man. Yeah, you get to win the whole FPF website. It's all yours, and it'll be open to not just FPF Club. uh, Open to bots and scammers. Alt. Alright, guys, basically, yeah, I don't know. I was just gonna mess around here, I guess. And 10 a.m., the session that I don't trade will do what it wants to do. I'm out of here for now. So we'll see you tomorrow. Have a good day. And again, make sure you're using that code FPF. Show your support. Alpha Futures 40% off. Apex 90 and 50% off Lucid. See y'all tomorrow.